Welcome back to Daytech. In this chapter, we'll dive into another incredibly useful feature of Copilot, creating output artifacts like summaries, emails, or reports based on the content you've already written. Whether it's a quick follow-up email or a summary report of your boss, Copilot can help you generate these artifacts instantly, saving you even more time. Before we kick things off, don't forget to subscribe and access the reading guide linked in the description to stay on track with the tutorial. Let's jump right in. Let's say you have just wrapped up writing a detailed Q3 marketing report. Now you need to send a quick summary of that report to your boss, but you don't have time to write it from scratch. Here's how you can use Copilot to generate an output artifact like summary email based on the report you have just completed. Click on the Copilot icon in the Word toolbar. In the command box, type Copilot will instantly create a concise and professional email. Here's an example of what Copilot might generate. It will give you an email subject, as well as the content of the email, with the key highlights in point form. In just seconds, Copilot has drafted a clear, concise email that communicates all important information. This feature is a game changer when you need to quickly communicate results or insights without spending time drafting from scratch. So here's a quick pro tip. Copilot isn't limited to emails. You can also use this feature to generate other types of output artifacts, such as summaries. Ask Copilot to summarize an entire report or document in a few sentences for quick presentations or updates. Actionable bullet points. Need to generate next steps or action items? Ask Copilot to extract action items from a report or meeting notes. Reports. If you have a detailed document but need a condensed version for stakeholders, Copilot can help you create a more concise report with key takeaways. Now let's say, for example, if you need to summarize the key metrics and data section of your marketing report, you could ask Copilot to summarize the key metrics section into a brief report. With this, Copilot will generate a focused, to-the-point summary that you can use in presentations or email. As you can see from here, it was able to extract out the main important data point from these long paragraphs. And this is especially useful if you want to write a more concise, presentable data, tables, or slides to present a certain key ideas. Of course, you can always customize the output Copilot generates. If the email or the summary needs to be more formal or if specific details are missing, you can edit the content directly or ask Copilot to make this more formal or include more details on, let's say, customer engagement. This flexibility makes Copilot incredibly powerful for creating tailored communications based on your specific needs. Another tip here for resetting the chat history for a fresh start. If you have made several revisions or want to start fresh, you can reset the Copilot's chat history. This feature lets you ask Copilot to analyze the text from scratch without referencing any previous edits or commands. It's useful when you want Copilot to focus on a new section or revise without considering earlier conversations. In order to do this, simply click the Change Topic prompt, and now you have successfully reset your chat history. Here's why using Copilot for creating output artifacts is a massive productivity boost. First, it saves time. Copilot quickly drafts summaries, emails, or reports, cutting down the time you spend writing. Second, it's consistent and professional. The output is well organized and professionally written, ensuring clear communication. Last but not least, it's customizable. You can edit or tweak the generated content to fit the tone or details required for your audience. Whether you are sending an email to your boss, creating a summary for your team, or drafting reports for stakeholders, Copilot helps you create polished output with minimal effort. And that's how you can use Copilot to create output artifacts in Word. Whether it's a summary email, a report, or a set of key points for a presentation, this feature is a massive time saver, allowing you to quickly communicate key information without starting from scratch. With this, we've come to the end of our series on Copilot in Word. Congratulations! You've made it to the end of our complete guide. Over the course of these chapters, we've covered everything from drafting documents, refining content, transforming text into tables, asking questions within documents, and crafting output artifacts like summaries and emails. By now, you should feel confident using Copilot to streamline your writing process, whether it's drafting reports, editing text, or quickly generating professional communications. Copilot truly transforms the way you work, helping you save time, improve clarity, and boost productivity, all within the tools you're already using? I hope this series has shown you just how powerful and versatile Copilot is for your everyday tasks. Whether you're working on a simple document or managing complex reports, you now have the tools and techniques to take full advantage of AI-powered assistance. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey. If you found this course helpful, please consider sharing it with others who could benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe to Daytech for more AI tips, tools, and tutorials to make life a little easier. As always, if you have any questions or want to see more content, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep exploring the possibilities of AI and stay productive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in future videos. Bye!